Communication is a big and important part of what we do. What are the main aspects of communication that is recipe for a happy client and long-lasting relationship?
I would say the key is understanding what the client needs and marrying that up with what you're going to provide the client and having an understanding of what gaps there might be between what you're offering to provide and the ultimate needs of the client, so that they know if there's other items that items that you don't perform. Let's say if you're a contractor, but that will need to be performed to generate a complete project for the client. That they understand that and can plan for it, and communicating that as early as possible so that they can make arrangements to close those gaps before it's too late.